Good morning, students. So, take down the next side heading, methods of constructing index number. So, under methods of constructing index number, we have two types. That is construction of simple index numbers, and next we have construction of weighted index numbers. Under construction of simple index number, again we have two types, that is simple aggregate method and simple average of price relative method. And under construction of weighted index number, we have two types, weighted average of price relative method and weighted aggregative method. So write down the first one, construction of simple index number. Under that, first, simple aggregate method. So the formula will be P01 is equal to summation P1 divided by summation P0 into 100, where P01 is price index of the current year, P1 is summation P1 is sum of the prices of commodities in current year, and summation P0 is sum of the price of commodity in base year. So let us take down an illustration. Given the following data and assuming 2004 as the base year, find out the index value of the price of different commodities. They have given us commodity, 2004 is base year, 2007 is current year. So commodity price, that is P0 base year, and then again we have price P1, that is current year. So A, B, C, D, E, 50, 40, 10, 5, 2, 80, 60, 20, 10, 6. So summation P0 is 107. You should total it. Summation P1 is 176. So what is the formula? P01 is equal to summation P1 divided by summation 0 into 100. 176 divided by 107 into 100. It is 164.49. Therefore, price index is 164.49. Write the second one. Simple average of price relative method. So what is the formula? P01 is equal to summation P1 divided by P0 into 100 divided by N. So what do we mean by price relative? Price relative is the percentage change of the value of a variable in the current year to its value in the base year. Okay, so this will be the formula. So here, where P1 by P0 into 100 is price relative, N is number of goods, P1 is current year's value, P0 is base year's value. So take down an illustration. Given the following data and using the price relative method, construct an index number. So they have given us commodity price, that is P0, it is a base year, price P1 of current year, and the last column will be P1 by P0 into 100. So wheat, ghee, milk, rice, sugar, price 100 per quantity, 8 per kg, 2 per liter, 200 per quantity, 1 per kg. Price is 200, 40, 16, 800, 6. So P1 is how much? 200 divided by 100 into 100, 200. 40 divided by 8 into 100, 500. 16 divided by 2 into 100, 800. 800 divided by 200 into 100, 400. 6 divided by 1 into 100, 600. P1 by P0 into 100 will be, add it, you get 2500. So what is the formula? P01 is equal to summation P1 by P0 into 100 divided by N. 2500 divided by 5, we get 500. Clear? Next, this was simple index number. Write this second one. Construction of weighted index numbers. Under that, write the first one. Weighted average of price relative method. So the formula is P01 is equal to summation RW divided by summation W, where P01 is index number of current year in relation to base year. Next we have W, that is weight. R is price relative. So let us take down an illustration. In the same illustration, they have given us weight, that is 40, 30, 15, 10 and 5. The remaining thing is the same, but they have asked us to calculate weighted average price relative index. So how do we calculate? First column will be commodity. Next we have weight, price of base year, current year. Then we find R, and next we will be finding R and W. So first we have goods, weight, 2004 price, so P0, 2017 P1, P1 by P0 into 100 is equal to R. Next is R into W. So wheat, rice, milk, ghee, sugar, 40, 30, 15, 10, 5. 2400, 200, 2, 8, 1. 2017, 200, 800, 16, 40, 6. So R is P1 by P0. So 200 by 100 into 100 will be 200. 800 by 200 into 100, 400. 16 by 2 into 100, 800. 40 divided by 8 into 100, 500. And last will be 600. R into W, that is column 2 and column 5. So 40 into 200 is 8000. 30 into 40, 12,000. 15 into 8, 12,000. 500 into 10, 5,000. 600 into 5, 3,000. So what is summation W? It is 100. What is summation WR? It is 40,000. So what is the formula? P01 is equal to summation RW divided by summation W. 40,000 divided by 100, it is 400. Therefore, price index is 400. Clear? The second method, that is average aggregate method, we would be working out in tomorrow's class. So that's all for today. Thank you.